Guys, so hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to set up JavaScript in your VS Code. Actually it is pretty easy, so just follow my steps and you will be able to run the Java code in your VS Code. So first of all, open your browser, and after opening your browser just search Node.js. And after searching it, go to the download. Here you can see, click on this download, and from here you can download the Windows installer. If you have 32-bit operating system, you should download 32-bit, or if you have 64-bit operating system, then you can download this. So I will download the 64-bit operating system for Windows installer. So let's just download it first. So as you can see, the download is almost complete. Okay, so after the download is complete, click on show in folder, and from here it will show in folder, and from here just click on here, then go to run. So it is just calculating the requirements for installing in your device. It will just take few seconds to do this, so just wait. Okay, it is taking its time, I see. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe it. So you can see the setup wizard will install Node.js, so just click on next, and from here you can read it if you want, and then click I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click next. Then from here you can choose your program and where you want to download this, where you want to install this, and you can choose anything from here, directory or anything, any folder. So after that, select, I'll choose the same folder as it is, then just click on next, then click on next, then you can click on automatically install the necessary tools for this. So I will click this and click on next, and after this click on install. So if you click on install, it will install, and the all work will be done. So after that, I already installed it, so let me show you what can you do after that. So after that, open VScode, and in VScode, in extension, you can install this extension, JavaScript code snippets, where this will help you to code more freely, and you can also install this extension, VScode for Node.js development, and after that you actually don't need anything else. You just can for create a JavaScript file. So for creating a JavaScript file, just create a new file and write any file name like starting, and starting dot. For JavaScript, you have to write it short from JS. So just create it now, and let me show you it is working on like console. You can see the intelligence is working too. Log and click on hello world. You can see hello world, and so let's just save it. After saving it, you can if you have code runner, you will see this button here, and you can just click on here here. So as you can see, the code is already done. So your JavaScript code is running. And if you want, then you can also show this in your debug console terminal. So for that you don't have to do so many things. Just click on this button, run and debug, and after this just click on this button, start debugging. So if you click on this button, you can see it is debug the starting.js and prints the hello world. So thank you, that's it. Hope you like the video, and please here don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers and everything. Okay, bye.